everyone! This is Mickey Mouse, and these are my friends. And, are you confused because there's two of me? That is fine. We're just stuffed animals. We're not the real characters. So I guess it's fine. I'm just here to let you know that we're gonna have a Mickey and Friends series, which is a group of stories that teacher Amani will read. They're short stories. Some of them are fun. Some of them are silly. Oh, who am I kidding? They're all fun and silly. Right, guys?
Yes, of course.
Alright, let's not waste any time. Who's ready to read some stories?
Me, I'm ready.
How about you kids? Are you ready? Alright, let's call Teacher Amani. Teacher Amani! We've already started the video, so you better hurry up. I hope she's not mad at us.
Today's book is called Minnie's Missing Recipe. Now let's begin. And when we begin, we say, Bismillah, Bismillah. Minnie's Missing Recipe. Mickey Mouse was relaxing in his living room when suddenly the doorbell rang. Mickey opened the door. Outside was a very panicked Minnie. "What's wrong, Minnie?" Mickey asked. "Oh, Mickey, it's awful," said Minnie. "Today is the annual bake-off, and I can't find my cinnamon swirl cake recipe anywhere." Just then, Pluto ran up the driveway. He dropped a rolled-up paper at Mickey's feet and began to bark. "Thanks, Pluto, but right now we have to help Minnie. Come on," said Mickey. Mickey and Minnie hurried off to her house. Pluto picked up the paper and followed behind them. At Minnie's house, Mickey searched the kitchen, but the recipe was nowhere to be found. "It was on the counter this morning," Minnie said. "I don't know what could have happened." Suddenly, Mickey noticed a postcard on the floor. What's this?" he asked. Minnie giggled. "Donald came over this morning to show me his postcard collection. He was so excited to show me his newest ones that he dropped the whole stack on the counter. That one must have fallen on the floor." That gave Mickey an idea. "Maybe Donald accidentally picked up your recipe with his other postcards. Let's go ask him." Pluto barked at Mickey and dropped a rolled-up paper at his feet again. "Sorry, boy," said Mickey. "No time to read the paper now. We've got to track down Minnie's recipe." Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto headed over to Donald's house. But when they got there, they found Donald angrily pacing his living room. What's wrong, Donald?" Minnie asked. "It's my new postcards. They're missing." Donald showed Mickey and Minnie his postcard collection. "See? 5 of them are missing." "I'm missing my cinnamon swirl cake recipe too," said Minnie. "We were wondering if you might have picked it up by accident when you were at my house this morning." "Where was the last place you saw your postcards?" Mickey asked. Donald thought. "I was flipping through them when I came back from Minnie's house. I came through the door and tripped over Huey. The boys were working on a collage in the hallway." "Oh my," said Minnie. "You don't think they accidentally used some postcards in their collage, do you?" Pluto barked and dropped the paper at Minnie's feet. "Thanks, Pluto, but we have to solve this mystery." And with that, Minnie, Mickey, and Donald went to wait for the boys at the bus stop. "Boys," Donald said when his nephews got off the school bus, "did you use my postcards in your collage?" Donald's nephews blushed. "Those were yours, Uncle Donald?" Huey asked. "We thought they were pieces of junk mail," Dewey said. "Junk mail!" cried Donald angrily. "Well, where's the collage now?" Minnie asked the boys. Louie shrugged. "It's the strangest thing. I rolled it up and put it in my backpack this morning, but when we got on the bus, it was gone. It must have fallen out somewhere between Donald's house and the bus stop, Minnie said. The group searched everywhere from the bus stop all the way back to Donald's house. They even checked Mickey's and Minnie's yards, but they couldn't find the collage anywhere. Pluto whined and dropped the rolled up paper at Huey's feet. "Hey!" Huey shouted, looking down. "This is it! Pluto had it all along!" "We must have dropped it in Mickey's yard after all," said Dewey. "And Pluto found it," said Louie. The boys unrolled the paper and showed off their collage, complete with Donald's postcards and Minnie's missing recipe. Minnie giggled. "You were trying to help us all along, Pluto." "I'm going straight home to make 2 cinnamon swirl cakes, 1 for the contest and 1 for you." And that is just what she did. The end. Did you guys think this was a silly story? Just like I did? All right. Until the next Mickey and Friends story, I will say to you, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.